In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create card button automations. Card buttons in Trello let you run powerful, repeatable actions with a single click on any card, which is perfect for standardizing your workflow and saving time. Start by heading to your Trello boards page and opening the board where you want this automation to live. Once you're inside the board, look for automations. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the top menu or in the sidebar. Open automations, then switch to the buttons section. This is where all card buttons are created and managed. Choose the card buttons area and click Create Button. You'll land on a setup screen for your new button. Give the button a clear, concise title so teammates know exactly what it does. Names like Move to Design Review or Mark as Ready are great because they communicate the action. Short, action-oriented titles also fit better on the card interface. Before adding behavior, review the available options. Here you can typically decide where the button appears, adjust visibility, or select an icon to make it recognizable at a glance. Keeping the button easy to spot helps adoption across your team. Next, choose what the button actually does. Click Add Action to define its behavior. For a simple and useful example, let's make the button move a card to a specific list. When prompted, start typing the list name, then select the exact match from the suggestions. Picking from the dropdown reduces typos and ensures Trello targets the correct list. After you've selected the list, click the plus sign to add that action to your button's rule set. You'll see it appear in the summary, confirming it's been attached. With the action added, click Save. Saving activates the button on your board. From now on, when you open a card on this board, you'll see your new button alongside other card actions. Clicking it will immediately run the rule you defined, like moving the card to the designated list, helping you and your team keep cards flowing without manual drag and drop. A few quick tips as you use card buttons. Choose names that mirror your process stages to make the button's purpose obvious. If you're collaborating, keep the title and icon consistent with your team's naming conventions. And when you type list names, always select from the suggestions to avoid accidental mismatches. If you ever need to refine the behavior, return to automations, open buttons, and edit or remove the button as your workflow evolves. That's it. You've created a Trello card button automation that's clear, reliable, and ready to streamline your board.